We're on our way to Algodones. No, that's
Los Algodones.
Los Algodones. Is that right?
That's
that's
close.
right. Okay.
We're going to Mexico today.
We're going to Mexico. Get our teeth clean.
Yeah.
This is Mike.
This is Joey.
And we're from Our Mobile Backpack. We're on our way to Algodones. No, that's
Los Algodones.
Los Algodones. Is that right?
That's close.
Right. Okay.
We're going to Mexico today.
We're going to Mexico. Get our teeth clean. We have made it to Algodones, waiting on Kathy and Dave, our tour guides. But say hello, everybody.
Hello,
hey, we met up with our tribe again. Guys arrived. Big hug to your hubby. As we head into the check-in point at Algodones, this is our tribe. All have arrived. Very excited to have this day with them. We've been camping with them for over 30 days and just now coming back together.
How about the night jackets?
No, thank you.
How about one like this?
No, thank you.
Vision like this?
No, thank you. There you go, baby.
Sorry. 2 for 10. Give me 2 for 10.
Did you like that lady? She started with what, 20?
Yeah. Yeah.
2 for 10.
Yeah. If you would have offered a 2 for 8, she probably would have said, okay.
Old map of the U.S. Yeah, $20.
Hello, how are you guys? Welcome, amigos.
That's okay. Yours will be so cute.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pharmacy Day, best price on Phoenix Pharmacy.
I don't know what you saw. This is the double U.S. department. Place in Mexico in Oaxaca.
You think the sidewalks are
Did you want to check in there at all?
No.
We got an appointment. I mean, we can.
We're good.
Yeah, we're gonna get.
Yeah.
Go in and look and be nosy.
Okay.
Film me.
Oh, okay. Well, in that case. Yeah. I think they do. Oop, go ahead.
Seems like
That?
we were looking at videos, so we didn't really know.
We're right next door. Absolutely.
Yeah, so.
Good, good. Hey, if we wanted to get a cleaning and I need a little filling right here in the front, how long is the wait today? Couple hours. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. It's okay. We're good. Thank you. Yeah, right. This is pretty much it.
For this street.
And that's right there's where you can sit. That's the plaza.
Yep.
That's the plaza where you can sit and relax and let's go look. Yeah,
Walk
let's
and
go
get your
look.
picture.
Yeah. Really? That's a tough one, isn't it? That's a tough one.
There, the music and stuff, I've got movies and things there after we're all done with this.
Okay.
See them? I don't know, they're just wings.
Let's go. Okay.
You stand right up there, you'll have a perfect set of wings.
Yeah.
That was just like Palm Canyon. We had these things right next to us blooming.
Hummingbirds coming in on them.
Oh, cool. That was pretty place, huh?
And it's so cool because you got to walk in to see the palms in there, and they're hidden in a crevice up above. You can't actually get to them.
Oh, wow.
You got to look up into the crevice.
There you go. Look good. Yeah, because I'll never find it. I gotta get. He's gonna get. What's his name? Dave's gonna get a haircut too. Oh man, look at you.
Nice haircut though.
Yes.
So where did you go to get your haircut, Al?
Oh, Gutierrez number one.
Taking a picture.
Yeah, Gutierrez #1 barber.
Yeah.
Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Everybody wave. Okay, this is how long we have to wait. Oh, you can't even see the end at this point. Okay, what's your name?
Bia?
Bia? Bia, it's nice to meet you in this line to get out of Mexico. What you did today?
I dig 2 implants and they asked me $7,000 in Vegas, and here they did a great job and they charged me $2,400.
Wow, let's see those teeth again. Beautiful.